Good morning, class 11. Welcome back to the class. So we were in chapter sequence and series, chapter number 9. We have discussed APGP, general term of an AP of a GP, right? We have discussed it. What is arithmetic mean? What is geometric mean? How to find the relationship between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Today we'll discuss the sum of n terms of a GP. Okay, let us say the sum is represented by capital S. GP is A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube, so on, plus AR power n minus 2 plus AR power n minus 1. Right? Let us say this is equation number 1. We need to find this S, sum of n terms. I will do one thing. This is just derivation. You don't have any derivation in the examination. This is just the derivation of the identity, how we got the formula. Now I will do one thing. I will multiply LHS and RHS of this equation by R. R times Sn. Now each term will be multiplied by R. इनको multiply करके उसी के नीचे लिखते हैं. A multiplied by R, AR. AR multiplied by R, AR square. AR square multiplied by R, AR cube. ऐसे ही AR power n minus 2 multiplied by R becomes AR power n minus 1 plus AR power n minus 1 multiplied by R becomes AR power n. This is equation number 2. ठीक, अब एक बहुत सिंपल सा काम. Subtract the second equation from the first equation. So on the left side I have Sn minus R times Sn. On subtraction the sign changes. Sign change हो जाएगा subtraction में. तो क्या हुआ? What happened? AR minus AR cancel. AR square minus AR square cancel. AR cube minus AR cube cancel. ये इससे पहले वाला cancel. AR power n minus 1 और माइनस AR पावर n माइनस 1 कैंसिल. क्या बचा? माइनस AR पावर n. और यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, ब्लैंक. सो A माइनस 0 इज A और लास्ट में बचा माइनस AR पावर n. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर लेफ्ट विद. हियर आई विल टेक Sn कॉमन. सो आई एम लेफ्ट विद 1 माइनस R इक्वल टू, हियर A टेकन कॉमन, 1 minus R power n. We need Sn. So Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n whole upon 1 minus R. Okay children? Clear? Got it? So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms is A into 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R. It is better to use this identity when R is less than 1. Common ratio R is less than 1. What I will do is take minus 1 common in the numerator. Minus 1 common ले लिया आपने. So A into R power n minus 1. We have taken minus 1 common. In the denominator also I will take minus common. दोनों के minus 1 cancel हो जाएंगे. Got it? So I will remove it. I will eliminate it. This is advised to use this formula when R is greater than 1. When R is greater than 1. Okay? क्योंकि R minus 1 will be positive in that case. If R is less than 1, if R is, say अगर R less than 1 होता है तो R minus 1 will be negative. R power n will be less than 1. Again this will be negative. Though you will get the answer same. आप कोई भी identity use करो, answer same आएगा. The only point, the only reason behind saying this कि how to use this identity is very simple. There are chances that we commit mistake with positive and negative signs. Okay? So it is advised. Otherwise आप When r is less than 1 or greater than 1, you can use the same identity. In the same way, you can use this identity no matter whether r is less than 1 or greater than 1. The answer will be the same. Only thing is to avoid the confusion occurred by the negative sign. We use this. So this is the formula to find the n terms of any geometric progression. Noted? इसको थोड़ा सा enhance करते हैं. Next is sum of an infinite GP where r is less than 1. You have a GP with infinite terms and r is less than 1. So we have sum of n terms is a into 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r, whatever it is. Okay, this is the identity that we have. Now if I say r is less than 1, when r is less than 1 and number of terms n tends to become infinity, number of terms tend to become infinity. In that case, when r is less than 1 and number of terms are infinite, r power n tends to become 0. Let's take an example. 1 upon 2, it is less than 1. 1 upon 2 to the power n is 1 upon 2 power n. What if I take n tends to infinity? So 1 upon 2 power infinity. This is 1 upon 2 power infinity. That is 0. Okay. So whenever you have a term whose magnitude is positive but less than 1, so any number x to the power infinity, when x is less than 1, 0 less than x less than 1, x is greater than 0 but less than 1, in that condition x power infinity always tends to become 0. So here r is less than 1 and n tends to infinity. So sum of infinite terms is equal to a into 1 minus r power n becomes infinity. So when n becomes infinity, r power infinity will be 0 upon 1 minus r. So sum of infinite terms, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into a is a upon 1 minus r. So if you have a geometric progression in which the common ratio r is less than 1 and number of terms are infinite, then use this identity to find the sum of that particular GP. Okay. Now let's do some questions on these identities. Fine. Up to 15 terms. You have to find the sum of this progression. Now you see here a is 3. This is not an AP. AP means second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term, but it is not there. Let us see if it is a GP. Minus 6 divided by 3, minus 2. 12 divided by minus 6, minus 2. Minus 24 divided by 12, minus 2. Common ratio is minus 2. R is equal to minus 2. So obviously it's a GP. Number of terms n is equal to 15. Sum of 15 terms. Formula a into r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A is 3. What is r minus 2 to the power n? N is 15 minus 1 upon r minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 3 into minus 2 to the power 15. Negative term to the odd power will be negative. So it is minus 2 power 15 minus 1 whole upon I have minus 3. Right? So in the numerator, I will take minus common. minus cancel, 3 cancel. What is the answer? 2 power 15 minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. So the sum of 15 terms of this particular GP is 2 raised to the power 15 plus 1. You don't have to solve this in the exam. 2 power 15 कहाँ तक करते जाओगे? You don't have to solve it. Leave it in this form only. Right? So 2 to the power 15 plus 1. Sometimes we also have to use GP in some special type of question, some special types of series. जैसे for example, I have a series sum is equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus 5555 so on up to infinite terms or say up to n terms. Find the sum of n terms of this particular GP or this particular series. This is not a GP. 55 divided by 5 is 11, but 555 divided by 55 is 111 upon 11. So this is not a GP, children. ये AP भी नहीं है, GP भी नहीं है. So we can convert such sequences, such series into a geometric progression. इसको बना सकते हैं. कैसे बना सकते हैं? I will take 5 common. ठीक है जी? So what do I have? 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 and so on up to n terms. ठीक है ना? Now what I will do is multiply and divide by 9. Multiply and divide by 9. तो 5 divided by 9, डिवीजन का 9 बाहर रखते हैं. मल्टीप्लीकेशन के 9 को shift it inside. Multiply each term by 9. So 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus so on up to n terms. ठीक है? Now children, थोड़ा सा flashback. Let's go back to class 2, 3, 4. Largest 1 digit number, largest 2 digit number, largest 3 digit number, largest 4 digit number. Largest 1 digit number or smallest 2 digit number, there is a relation. Largest 2 digit number and smallest 3 digit number, there is a relation. 9 is largest 1 digit number and 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. Difference is 1. 99 is largest 2 digit number. 100 is smallest 3 digit number. Difference is 1. Let us use this concept here. 5 by 9. This 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 10 square minus 1. 100 minus 1. Now 999, 1000 minus 1 मतलब 10 cube minus 1. 9999 मतलब 10,000 minus 1 यानी 10 power 4 minus 1 and so on up to n terms. ठीक है? अब यहाँ क्या हुआ? 5 upon 9. Now in this we have two series. एक तो 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube and so on. दूसरा minus taken common 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 so on up to n terms. ठीक? 5 upon 9. This is a geometric progression. A कितना है? 10. R भी 10 है. Number of terms n. S n का identity लगा देते हैं. A r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. ठीक? Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times becomes n. अरे 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times becomes 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times becomes n. अब 5 by 9 को अंदर ले जाते हैं. 10 minus 1 9. 5 into 10 50 upon 9 into 9 81 into 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. You can leave the answer here, or if you want, you can take one single LCM. वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. One single LCM भी आप लेके कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Got it, children? So we can use this GP to find some special terms of special type of series also. So there are some more questions on this which we will show in the next class.